Hey y'all, it is Michaela Janae here, and today I'll be showing you guys how I make my authentic shrimp and sausage Cajun pasta. First, you see me with the oil, that is olive oil, and I will be sauteing my frozen onions and parsley in a pan. And right here, I'm just stirring it around with my wooden spoon. Now you see that I have been sauteing the onions and the parsley for a while. You want to cook it until it is translucent. You want to be able to see through the onions, and I like my onions to get a nice dark color. Right here I'm showing you all of the things I will be using in this video. I use Prego Alfredo sauce, all my spices, minced garlic, and some corkscrew noodles, I believe it is. Right here you see me using my crushed red pepper flakes. And I just want to saute that in with the onions and the parsley just so I can cook it a little bit. I cut me up 1 link of smoked sausage, and now I'm going to fry it. I like my sausage fried hard. Sausage is one of my favorite foods, and I fry it all the time. So I thought I'd throw this part in there for you guys. It adds so much flavor to the Alfredo. I try to lay them all flat so they can cook evenly throughout, and once they're halfway through, I like to continuously flip them over. Right here you see they are really starting to fry. Now I'm going to flip them over, and you see that nice color. Look at that. That looks so good. Now you see me adding a little bit of water just so I can get all that goodness from the bottom of the pot. And I'm going to stir it around some more. Yes, look at that smoke. I can literally smell it. I know it smells so good. And I think I used Richard sausage. Let me just add that in there. I like to flip every sausage over one by one, as you can see, and I was struggling with this wooden spoon, but we're going to get it slowly but surely. Look at it. It is frying and it just looks so good. Now you see me adding my fresh minced garlic on there. I love garlic, so I put kind of a lot. You do not have to use this much, but I like to saute it in with the onions and the parsley and the sausage just to establish my flavor before adding the sauce in. And you add garlic in kind of late into the meal because you do not want to burn garlic. That's when it gets bitter. So I'm just going to continue to stir the sausage in with the garlic and everything else in the pot. I got the Prego savory bacon. That one is so good. I just pour it into the same skillet and begin to stir. Okay, once it's been cooking for a little while, I add my parsley and my oregano and all that stuff like that. The Italian seasoning works. And stir that in. These are my shrimps. These were actually frozen shrimps that I defrosted, and I'm using my Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning, some onion powder and some garlic powder to season them. And I use some parsley, and I'm just going to stir it around with a spoon. And as you can see, that is not seasoned enough, so I am going to add some more of my Cajun seasoning, the Tony Chachere's in. Yeah, it got to be a little bit more spicy, okay? That's not spicy enough. And like I said in the beginning, all this is optional. This is how I cook my Cajun Alfredo. So if you do not like spice, you can just season your shrimp with salt and pepper and it will taste just as good. I'm just going to stir it one more time before I add in the shrimp. That is me tasting it, and it tasted great. I taste my food a lot just to make sure it's good. I'm going to season my sauce with a little bit of my Tony Chachere's. That's what you saw me just put into it. And stir it around. I'm adding some more seasoning because I really like seasoning. This is the same Tony Chachere's. And this meal is so quick and easy to cook. It literally takes me only 20 minutes. I just like to really get the ingredients to really mesh together, but it is so quick. It takes no time. I'm putting all my shrimps in the center so I can really watch them. Shrimps only take 7 minutes to cook, so make sure you're adding it at the end of your process, and make sure you're timing it so you do not overcook your shrimps. They will be so rubbery. Please do not do that. Right here you see me just poking it with my wooden stick. Now I'm going to show you guys my noodle process. My water is boiling. I already added my salt. So at first I just did a half a pack, but then I was like, no, that's not enough. I like Alfredo. I'm going to add some more. I added the whole pack into the boiling water, and I'm just going to stir until they were finished. My noodles only take about 10 minutes if I'm cooking on high. So yeah, that was them done. Now my food is bubbling and boiling. I think the shrimps are done at this point, so I'm just going to continue to stir it around. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I just want to eat it again. These are my finished products. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please continue to like and subscribe and share. But definitely be more cooking videos to come. I love you guys. Bye.